Derivative of inverse trigonometric function. So first of all we learn derivative of standard trigonometric function. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and derivative of cos inverse x is negative of this one, minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Similarly, derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x equal to 1 upon under root x, 1 upon x under root x square minus 1, and derivative of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. So we observe here those trigonometric functions starting with c, they have minus sign in its derivative. Minus sign, cos, cot and cosec, they are starting with c, so that's why they have negative sign in its derivative, and other part is the same, whatever is there. So we make it clear how we use this derivative in questions. So y equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So this is the derivative of inverse trigonometric function. So main sin inverse function is there, inverse of sine is there. So we use chain rule for differentiating this one. So dy over dx equals to, so according to sine we have 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. In place of x, 2x upon 1 plus x square is there, so that's why we take in place of x 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. According to the chain rule, in place of x is something else is there, then we take derivative of this one again. So now we are taking derivative of 2x upon 1 plus x square. After simplification, this part we have 1 plus x square upon under root 1 plus x square whole square minus 4x square, and we are using quotient rule for derivative of this one. Now we are taking the square of the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, and differentiation of denominator, and this part is as it is. After simplification of this one we have 1 minus under root 1 minus x square to the whole square. Derivative of 2x comes 2, this one as it is, and derivative of 1 plus x square comes 2x, this part is as it is. Now 1 plus x square, square root of 1 minus x square to the whole square is only 1 minus x square. After simplification of this numerator part we have 2 1 minus x square. Now 1 power is cancelled, and 1 minus x square is cancelled with this 1 minus x square. So finally we have in numerator only 2 and in denominator 1 plus x square. So this is the final result of the given question. So this is the derivative of given function. The same question we can solve by using alternative method. And so how we use this method? So y equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. In this method we think, is there any trigonometric formula related to this one, twice of something upon 1 plus something square? So we will think, is there any formula we know in trigonometric function? So yes, we have a formula. In this formation is like this, 2 something upon 1 plus something square. So this is the formula for sin 2 theta in terms of tan. So that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square. So that's why we take x equals to tan theta. So we put x equals to tan theta. So now question becomes sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for sin 2 theta. So we replace this one as sin 2 theta. Inverse sin cancel, only 2 theta we have. So now we have y equals to 2 theta. Now replace the value of theta, as we put x equals to tan theta already, so that's why theta is tan inverse x. So in place of theta we are putting tan inverse x. So this is the simplified form of our question. and now we take its derivative. Dy over dx equals to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is 2 upon 1 plus x square. So answer is same in both the method. So you may use any method which you like, but this method save your time.